Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we're going to take a look at the rear door pillar and that little spot of rust, and so we can't peel it back and see what's behind it. I'll show you what I mean. This right here is what I'm wanting to kind of address tonight. Thinking it's relatively straight. It has a little bit of curve in it, but my plan is to drill out these welds all the way up to here, cut it here, and cut it down here across the weld, or the spot weld, and peel this back and see what's behind here, if we can treat it or not, and then hammer it back over, put a spot weld and weld here, spot weld there, spot weld there, spot weld and weld there. That's my plan, at least. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I think I got them all drilled out and somewhat cut at this side. Kind of got a little bit into this panel here, but I figured maybe I could fill it with weld and reshape that somehow. But I guess now let's see what's behind there. Don't know if you saw that, but as soon as I went under here, it just kind of broke apart and rust fell out. So my new plan might be just to cut this little piece off here and try to make a new one, I guess. We'll see. We'll try to bring it back some more. Yeah, I feel this is no good. So I'm gonna try to cut on the inside here, kind of try to leave that corner all the way down to here. Maybe we can get a piece of metal. After this is all taken care of, we'll just weld it on here and then spot weld it again and grind it all down. At least that's my plan. Okay, so this is what was underneath there. Looks kind of bad, but I don't believe there's any actually rust through, like where my screwdriver just go all the way through. So hopefully we can just treat it, sand it, treat it, and weld back to it. I'm gonna have to find something that actually will stop rust. I think this rust fix does a decent job, but I don't know about something like this. Anyways, I'm gonna try to pop off these, because I think they'll just pop off. You get underneath them. Wire brush this, try and clean up the edges a little bit, and research something to treat that with. I think this week I'm gonna try to get a template made for this area. I got some sheet metal over there that I can use to make this piece with, and I'm gonna search and see what I can put on this to make this not rust anymore. And then I'm going to buy some weld-through primer, spray this down with it, and then put my holes in the template, and then tack weld it to this side, grind it all down, and fill in these holes that I cut up here and up there. And hopefully it'll be fixed and over with and we move on. I think the primer looks decent from a distance. You can't really tell anything was done, but I like how it came out. It's nice to see it starting to be one color. I'm wanting to tackle this area soon, get that welded up. And I might move on to the inside, get it all cleaned up and put something over it. I still got a lot to do. And I want to take care of this problem too. Is that supposed to be there? Anyways, my plan is to cut it out, because there's some spot welds here and here. Cut it out here, straight across and up on both sides. Find the right gauge metal, try to bend it over and try to get that angle. This one's just pretty much straight, and I don't think I can put a, I don't know how to put a square in there, but we'll find something. Anyways, get that together so won't be so scared to take it off the frame. And do the same for that one too. That one's a little bit worse. But I would like to take the body off, that way I can start messing with the frame and chassis, get it all stripped down and cleaned and painted. Paint all the suspension parts and everything else. Anyways, this is how she sits at the moment. Trying to fix rust where I can and waiting to order parts. That's what's killing me. But I do want to save this if I can, because it has the original VIN sticker on it. I didn't know that was under there. I like to keep that, and I think that's fine down there. Just need to take care of this. I think we'll be in good shape. Anyways, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Kind of disappointed. I really thought that metal I could peel it back and push it back over, but it's better to get it out of the way now instead of have to deal with it later. That's probably what my focus will be this next week, is to get that fixed and maybe paint that door pillar there. And then we'll try to, I think I might move on to the front where those holes are. Anyways, thank you to my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. Keeps me motivated to come out here every night and helps me keep trucking on with the Bronco. Hopefully it'll be done in a couple years, but there'll be a lot of videos on it. A lot of videos. Anyways, thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next.